Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add Google Analytics to your Hostinger website builder site. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to connect it to Google Analytics, first I will search for Google Analytics on Google. Then visit the first search result. Click on this sign in to Analytics, and you will arrive to analytics.google.com. Click on Start Measuring. Here, fill in your account name. In my case, I will call it my website name, Ben's Tutorial. Then scroll down and click on this next button. In this property creation step, you need to fill in your property name, and with property name, they mean your website name. It will be called Ben's Tutorial. After that, select your reporting time zone. I will keep it US, your currency, I will keep it US dollar, and hit next. Describe your business. Help us better understand your business by answering the following. Your input helps improve Google Analytics. Industry, I will call it, for example, auto. I recommend you to select the closest fitting category in order to get better comparison. Business size, small, and hit next again. Choose your business objectives. In my case, I will go with yes, I want to generate leads, drive sales, understand the web and or app traffic, measure your website or app visitors and channels drive. Yes, I want to understand this. View user engagement and retention. Yes. Under business objective, your business is in a category not listed above. Now, after that, click on create, accept the data processing terms, and hit I accept. Account and property created. Now, to start collecting data, you need to set up data collection for your website or app. Choose from where you will be collecting data. The web app, this means a website, an Android or an iOS app. Next, you'll get instructions for adding a data collection tag to that source. In my case, I will go with web, then fill in my website address. This is it. Let's start with 3Ws. My website is Ben's Tutorial. After that, enhanced measurement automatically measure interactions and content on your sites in addition to standard page view measurement. They are measuring page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and video engagement, file downloads, form interactions. Yes, I want this. After that, click on create and continue. Now this is your website. Now click on this little arrow. You will see this page. If you don't see this page, just close it one time and click on it again. Now you need to copy this measurement ID. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now you need to copy this measurement ID like that and go back to Hostinger and log into your Hostinger account. Go to websites and next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this edit website button. Now click on these three dots or more settings, then go to integrations and scroll down to Google Analytics, click on it and add your Google Analytics ID just like that. Now click on save and don't forget to update your website from here or from this corner, it's the same thing. Let's view your website live now, or let's keep visiting your website page, scroll in. Now let's go back to Google Analytics, close this window, click on next, and data collection is pending. You successfully created your account and property. It may take up to 48 hours before your property starts collecting data. Now click on continue to home, my email communications, and check all and save. And as you see, I have one active users in the last 30 minutes. This one visit came from me browsing my website. This way you are sure that you fully or successfully connected Google Analytics to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Now to see reports, just go to the left side of your screen. This window will slide in, click on reports, and you can see your business objectives here that we've selected before: generate leads, drive sales, understand web traffic, and view user engagement. Let's go with real-time overview. From this page, I can see my own location, which is very accurate, the same city I am in or I am browsing my visitor from. And if I scroll down a little bit, I can see the page title or the pages I've visited during my random browsing. Now let's check the real-time pages. I have 2 views in the last 30 minutes. Both of those views are from me, so active users is the same one. I visited 2 times, or I viewed my website 2 times, and this is the page path and screen class in last 30 minutes. This slash or this backslash means the active visitors or the active visitor in on the home page. Let's test if I visit my store or my services page and refresh this page. As you see, I visited service, and before that I visited this slash page, which is the link of my store or my online store. So this is very accurate. And that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.